is really cute. Guys, look at this.
To the woman I'm becoming, I see you, I honor you, I'm learning to trust.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am super excited because we are doing a kitchen makeover today, you guys. We are bringing a little life to our kitchen, wanting to do some interior design in here. And also we have a few things that we want to do in the refrigerator, honey. We need to organize it, okay? We need some kitchen organization going on. So we have this here egg organizer because we always tend to buy like 36 eggs at a time. Y'all know how it come. I think like the 2 18-pack or something like that. Baby, we need this, okay, y'all? So but you know, the cartons in there, they just look funny. So I thought this was really aesthetically pleasing for us to go ahead and use, y'all. And it's by Brookstone. Like, that is cute. We love that. And then we also picked up this here. Now, it's called a fridge/pantry bin. This is so neat, you guys. It comes with 3 compartments. And you can put your lunch meat, deli meat, cheese, like, you know, leftover, anything in little sandwich bags, anything like that in here, just so they're not laying all around the refrigerator, okay? We don't need that big old mess. We also have some new silverware because, as you guys know, we just moved into our dream loft apartment, okay, girl? Yes, ma'am. And so we picked up some nice gold flatware because we had gold in our last apartment, and so we just thought that it would be fitting, obviously, honey, if we just kept it going. So yeah, we picked these up as well, you guys, and yeah, just wanted to come open up today's video. We also have a few other things that we're gonna get into in this video as well, but I wanted to come let y'all know what we're about to do. Okay, so stay tuned, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this kitchen makeover, girl. Now, you guys know that I love a very nice, cozy, aesthetic home, okay? And I want to thank today's sponsor, you guys. PureCozy sent over this gorgeous Persian rug, you guys. We actually got it in an 8x10, and we didn't know which room we wanted to put it on, but once it got here, you guys, we was like, it is definitely going in the kitchen makeover. So you guys, that's the reason why you are sitting right now, honey, because that's where we are about to put it in the kitchen, you guys, and get into it. Look at how beautiful that is, you guys. The print is everything. And y'all know we just moved into a loft apartment, so the exposed brick, the concrete, all of that just looks absolutely amazing. And y'all see those colors? Baby, she about to be tea in this here kitchen. So let's go ahead, grab Buddha Builder, help us put it down, y'all, and y'all gonna see the whole process, y'all. I think she is gonna be cute. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh my, first of all, she is so soft. Oh my God, you guys, she is so soft and she is absolutely beautiful. Do y'all see that? Oh my God, this was perfect, y'all. Oh, this is so perfect. Okay, babe, we ready.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Shift it out a little bit. Yeah, go ahead and give it some body. Okay. Oh my God, it's like perfect.
Your text made it jealous. Like to the refrigerator in between.
That's perfect. They should have definitely put a You like the new rug, Handsome? You like it? Yeah, that's, I think, a little bit better. Yeah. You like it? Yeah. Still have a little space there to walk in. You know, I think it would just stay a little cleaner that way. What you think?
I agree. I agree.
This is really cute. You guys, look at this. Okay. And then it comes with 2 of these. So girl, now you gotta order some more eggs, honey.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you all that?
You guys, I love our new coffee bar station. It is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And look, trust your purpose. Got that from Burlington Gorgeous.
Well, hey, my baby. See, I dare for you to be selfish with yourself, because selfishness often denotes that you put more into your needs than that of others. And while on the surface it sounds repulsive, it's also the most liberating, temporary offering that you can give yourself when people have obviously drained you completely dry. And see, you can't be everyone's hero, and you can't be the healer to all of the unhealed, and you can't be everyone's go-to and stand-in, and you surely can't be everywhere for everybody who makes you feel that without your input or your presence, things won't run smoothly, or life will not be the same. And so you are one person with only two hands and one heart, one mind, and one life. And if you keep giving your time and energy to others in every capacity, tell me, my baby, what do you have left? And I'm not saying lead in selfishness in every regard, but if you don't say no to things, and the yes will be the death of you, and once they bury you with their problems, tell me, how many of them will rescue you to keep you alive for your well-being, or rescue you to keep you alive for their selfish and never-ending needs? And see, we talk about boundaries with our full chest, but will crumble once the opportunity to feed our liberation is presented. And we won't be strict with the program. We run it just like we tend to run our lives, with too much grace for other people and not enough backbone for ourselves. And baby, I'm not fussing. I'm just saying this as gentle as I can, with a little bit of pushback behind my vocal cords, because sometimes you gotta be reminded that you can't be the all for everybody, while they are content with being nothing more than a container with holes at the bottom. And so you keep on pouring, and they keep on staying on empty. And baby, this was your reminder. And don't you be mad at me now. I'm forever grateful for the no's I received when I thought I deserved the yeses, because many of those no's grounded me and made me take a look at why I wanted those yeses so bad. Sometimes what we want so bad is not constructed for the environment or our mental capability at that time, and we have to understand that when the doors are closed, the application is denied, and the opportunity isn't prevalent. It's more for our good than for our bad. In many situations, the no saved me from a stressful job. The no kept me from compounding responsibilities. The no allowed me to obtain more time with my family. The no brought me closer to people. The no helped me Listen, I'm not matching negative energies because I'm simply not mirroring people. I'm not sabotaging my growth, and I'm not allowing what others do to dictate my attitudes and my composure. I'm not changing the core of who I am, and I'm certainly not going to do anything outside the person that I show up as every single day. If the bad energy dictates the way they choose to proceed in their lives, that simply has no connection to the way I choose to proceed in mine. My character is defined by my values and integrity, not by the conditions in which people choose to show up with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So that is going to be the end of this here kitchen makeover. Listen, I am obsessed with this rug, and again, I want to thank PureCozy for sending it over to us to make our home nice, cozy, and aesthetically pleasing, you guys, because this Persian rug, honey, she eats down, okay, honey, she is that girl. I love all of the colors in her, and I plan on playing with all of these guys. I'm talking beige, navy blue, like a deep maroon color. I'm seeing blush yellows, like so many different colors to play with. And like I said, it looks so good in our loft apartment, y'all. It goes with the aesthetics of our home, so I love that. And baby, we are getting our life together with the new kitchen organization things that we have just put into the refrigerator, y'all. It just looks so much better in the refrigerator. So let this be your sign. If you need to, you know, get your refrigerator together, honey, go on down to that Burlington, girl, because they have some pieces and very inexpensive if you are looking to get some organization in your kitchen. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.
How I've been living without you. Daydreaming.